So good morning to all. Today we are going to discuss about the protocols which are all present in IoT. In IoT there are totally 4 layers: link layer, network or internet layer, and transport layer, application layer. For each layer there is a n number of protocols are available to deal with that particular layers. In link layer, the protocols which are available are 802.3, 802.1, 11 Wi-Fi, and 802.16 which is used for WiMAX, and 802.15.4 which is used for LRWPAN, and 2G or 3G or 4G, and now recent and 5G protocols is also available, because the link layer which is basically deals with connection oriented, which deals with communication. So for that communication we can choose the protocols based upon our needs. And in network and internet layer, IPv4 and IPv6 protocols are available, and 6LoWPAN protocol, and the 6LoWPAN protocol, which is a low wireless PAN protocol. When we choose this protocol means when our need is in a limited version, then we can choose the 6LoWPAN protocol. And the transport layer protocol, there are 2 protocols. In transport layer there are 2 protocols, TCP and UDP. We are very familiar with these 2 protocols. The TCP protocol, which is it is a connection oriented protocol, and UDP, which is a connection less oriented protocol. And then the application layer, the protocols which are all available. Here we list out some common protocols which are all used in IoT: HTTP, COAP, and MQT, XMPP, DDS. These are all the common protocols which are used in IoT, Internet of Things. Apart from these, there are lots of protocols available in application layer. And this is a diagrammatical representation of the protocols categorized under the layers. In link layer, the link layer which determines how the data will be sent to the physical layer. It deals with the physical layer. The link layer is a combination of physical and data link layer. Here they use copper wire and coaxial cable for the connection oriented, and the main scope is based upon local network connection only. The main scope is on local network, and the protocols which are all used are 802.3 Ethernet. Based upon if we use Wi-Fi in our IoT device, then we want to choose the protocol 802.11 Wi-Fi. And in the continuity, now we are going to see about the detailed explanation about each protocol. In 802.3 Ethernet, the collection, it is a collection of wired Ethernet standards. Below here we listed out some examples of Ethernet standards, and the data rate is between 10 Mbps to 40 Gbps. And then next 802.11 Wi-Fi, which is a wireless local area network. If we are going to use wireless connections, wireless concept into our IoT, then it is a better choice to choose this protocol, and the data rate is between 1 Mbps to 6.5 Mbps. And in the third protocol, WiMAX. Even in the Wi-Fi, if we are planning to use a minimum number of data rate, then we can choose 802.16 WiMAX and 802.15.4 LRWPAN. It is a collection of a low rate wireless protocol. Low rate in the sense, if your data rate is below Mbps, then we can choose this LRWPAN protocol. And then the network and the internet layer, it is responsible to sending the the datagram through internet. So here the IP, which means internet protocol address, IP address takes a major role in network or internet layer. It performs the host addressing and package routing, and the datagram means it consists of a source address and destination address. The source address from where the data is going to send, and destination address to where the data is going to reach. Here the protocols mainly used are IPv4, IPv6, and 6LoWPAN. And IPv4 is an Internet Protocol version 4, which is used to identify the devices which are all connected to a network, and it uses a 32-bit addressing. Also, the 32-bit addressing means totally it can provide 2 power 32 addresses for a single network. And then IP protocols will establish the connection. IPv6 is an advanced version which uses 128-bit addressing. Through IPv6, for a single network, we can assign 2 power 128 addresses. And 6 low WPAN, and IPv6 over low power wireless personal area network. Here the frequency rate will be 2.4 GHz, and the comparison mechanism will be when comparing to IPv6, it is a low power, it has a low frequency ranges. So in this video, we discussed about the protocols which are all used in 2 layers, link layers and network layers. Thank you.